Hey guys, this is Alex, and today I'm going to show you this guy I don't remember his name of. He can move his arms. He can nod his head. You can turn the lion part, and you can move his legs and his toes. So that's all he does for posability. Now, what I'm going to show you now is how he transforms. So you push the hands in, like so, and then you fold those feet down to fold the head back, so they're out of the way of pushing the arms in, and then for another head. Well, you gotta spin the waist first.
Spin the waist around!
You gotta do that. Huh? What's going on here?
Maybe we don't do that!
You do. There we go. And then we fold in the feet. And then we flip these around. And that causes this to unlock, so then you can fold these out.
The feet.
I know, it's weird. Yeah, well, look at the feet.
Yeah, that's a little weird. Maybe you're not supposed to spin the waist, because that looks a little weird. He does not remember how to transform this. Tell us what you're doing.
This is his mode, and there's a rub symbol right there. You rub it, and there's the symbol. Well, you can see it on the side plus. That's the can. So here he is in lion mode.
The cameraman just fell down. Okay.
So I'll transform back. You fold in the tail. You fold in the back feet. Just like so. Then you fold back these parts. And then you fold out the pizza. Come on. Don't be naughty, toy. Yeah, again. I know, right? And then you spin this darn thing. Then you pull it down there. Then you put it out there. Then you try to get the hand down, if you can. Then you put out the head, and you put the legs against shoulders. Then boom.
Okay. Yay.
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.